What is the brain's role in controlling childhood fevers? Imagine your child's body as a smart little factory that knows how to fight off germs. When a child gets sick, their brain steps in as the boss that controls how the body responds. The main part of the brain involved is called the hypothalamus. Think of it as the body's thermostat, keeping temperature just right. When the immune system detects an infection like a virus or bacteria, it sends out signals called cytokines. These signals travel through the blood and tell the hypothalamus to turn up the heat. This causes a fever, which is actually a helpful response. The higher temperature makes it harder for germs to survive and helps immune cells work better. A special molecule called prostaglandin E2 is involved in this process. It acts like a messenger that tells the hypothalamus to raise the body's temperature. When this happens, the child might feel warm, sweaty, or even a bit tired. The brain also helps coordinate other symptoms of illness, like loss of appetite or feeling sleepy. These are part of what we call sickness behavior, which helps the body rest and recover. In children, fevers are very common and usually a sign that the body is fighting an infection. The brain's role in controlling fever is part of a natural defense system. Sometimes, the fever can get very high, and in rare cases, it might cause seizures called febrile seizures. These are usually brief and do not cause long-term harm, but they can be frightening for parents. Understanding how the brain controls fever helps parents know what to do. Monitoring the child's temperature, making sure they drink enough fluids, and giving medications like acetaminophen or ibuprofen if a doctor recommends it can help manage the fever. But it is always best to consult a healthcare provider if the fever is very high, lasts a long time, or if the child shows other worrying symptoms. In summary, the brain, especially the hypothalamus, acts as the body's control center for fever. It responds to signals from the immune system by raising body temperature, which is a natural way to fight infection. This process is a vital part of how children's bodies defend themselves and recover from illness. Always remember to seek medical advice for proper care and safety.